So I ordered this Keychron Q3 MAX keyboard. It's an 80% scale. It lacks a 10 key, but that's fine because the numbers are up here. It's made of aluminum. It's about 5 pounds. It has banana tactile switches. That results in better key pressing and more lighter mistakes and a better typing feel than a regular keyboard. So let's open it up. Nice packaging. It's got iridescent font. I believe the keys are lit by a backlight, so that's fun. It's got a quick start guide. Careful packaging. It's all foam wrapped. Make sure the switch pins are straight before inserting switch in. General user manual. This just shows you how to connect the Bluetooth and how to connect the receiver. It's got a Type-C cable, threaded cable. It's really nice. It's not rubber. And it has a USB adapter. These are the Windows keys and Alt keys. A tool set, which I have to do something with. I don't know what I have to do what I have to do with this, but I'll figure it out. The 2.4 gigahertz adapter. Type-C adapter with a USB insert, not a USB plug. And this thing's heavy. They weren't kidding when they said it's fully solid aluminum. That's a nice key press. Yeah, that's nice. I'm pretty solidly happy with this. Gotta figure out and need to read the instructions and see if I can get it operational today. It's about $200, $220. It was on sale. It was 20 bucks off. So, you know, it's good for 10 million key presses. Like, a regular keyboard is good for 2 million key presses. The keys are fully customizable. I can enable macros, so I can type in a code and assign it to a key. So every time I push a certain button, it enables the code. It has a switch for Windows to Mac. It has a switch from USB insert and Bluetooth. It's very solid, very well crafted. Yeah, this is great. This is really great. It's got a nice sound to it. It has a good feel. Yeah, that's really great.